Forget everything you think you know about your power bill. By 2026, the entire energy landscape could be transformed. We stand at a critical crossroads between a familiar path and an uncharted one. On one side, solar power, a trusted and evolving champion. On the other, a new contender shrouded in both mystery and massive promise. This is the face-off you need to understand before making your next energy decision. We are conducting a ruthless, data-driven investigation. We will pit Maxwell Chikumbutso's revolutionary MSED system against conventional solar power. Our goal is to determine the true economic viability for your home and wallet. This is not about hype or hope. This is about cold, hard numbers and realistic projections. The future of your energy independence and savings depends on this comparison. Let's begin by pulling back the curtain on the newcomer. What exactly is Maxwell Chikumbutso's MSED system? MSED stands for Modular Static Energy Device. In simple terms, it is presented as a solid-state power generator. It claims to produce electricity through advanced electromagnetic principles. The core promise is energy density and efficiency beyond traditional means. Proponents state it can generate power continuously, day and night. It purportedly operates independently of weather conditions like sun or wind. The device is often described as being self-charging and self-sustaining. It promises a silent, fuel-free operation with no emissions. The buzz around this technology is undeniably significant. It has attracted attention from investors and futurists worldwide. The allure of a compact, always-on power source is incredibly powerful. It speaks directly to the dream of ultimate energy freedom. It proposes a world beyond power grids and massive battery banks. But with great promise comes great scrutiny. We must move beyond the exciting headlines and investor presentations. We need to ask the critical, often uncomfortable questions. What is the real science behind its claimed overunity or high efficiency? What are the long-term durability and material degradation factors? Has its performance been independently verified by peer-reviewed institutions? These questions form the foundation of the true cost we will uncover. Now, let's turn to the established giant, solar power. Solar energy is not standing still as we approach 2026. It is a technology in a state of constant and rapid evolution. Efficiency rates for photovoltaic panels are climbing steadily. Projections suggest commercially available panels will reach new performance heights. The cost of solar installation has been on a dramatic downward trend for years. This trend is expected to continue, making it more accessible than ever. Battery storage, solar's traditional partner, is also advancing rapidly. Lithium-ion technology is improving in capacity and lifespan. New chemistries like solid-state and lithium iron phosphate are gaining ground. These offer the promise of longer life, faster charging, and enhanced safety. Grid integration and smart energy management systems are becoming smarter. Home energy systems can now optimize consumption and storage autonomously. Solar's ecosystem is mature, with established supply chains and installers. Warranties often extend 25 years, providing significant long-term security. It has a proven, decades-long track record of performance and reliability. So, the question becomes, can an emerging technology dethrone an evolving king? Let us now enter the main arena for the ultimate showdown. We will compare these technologies across three brutal categories. First, the upfront capital expenditure or initial investment. For solar in 2026, we can project based on clear historical trends. A fully installed residential system with premium battery storage will have a known cost range. You will pay for panels, inverters, batteries, racking, and professional installation. This price is transparent and competitive due to a global market. For the MSED system, the upfront cost is a major unknown variable. If it commercializes, its price will depend on production scale and material costs. Will it be a single, costly unit claiming to replace an entire solar array? Could its per-watt cost be exponentially higher than solar initially? The premium for groundbreaking technology is often immense at launch. Second, we must analyze the long-term operational and hidden costs. Solar's costs are well documented and relatively predictable. Minimal maintenance is required, primarily panel cleaning and system checks. Inverters may need replacement once within a system's 25-year lifespan. Battery banks will likely require a full replacement every 10 to 15 years. These are planned, amortizable expenses you can calculate today. Now, consider the MSED's long-term operational narrative. If it truly requires no fuel and has few moving parts, maintenance could be low. But what about the longevity of its core components and materials? How will its performance degrade over a decade or two of constant use? What are the costs and complexities of repair or module replacement? Would it require specialized, proprietary technicians for servicing? Then there are regulatory and permitting hurdles. Solar faces a known, if sometimes tedious, bureaucratic process. A radically new energy device could face significant regulatory skepticism. Getting utility approval for grid tie or building permit approval could be challenging. This translates into potential time delays and unforeseen compliance costs. Third, we must factor in environmental impact and sustainability. Solar's environmental cost is front-loaded in manufacturing. Panel production involves energy use and some hazardous materials. However, over its lifespan, it generates vast amounts of clean electricity. Recycling programs for panels and batteries are actively developing. The MSED's environmental footprint is a complete unknown. What are the environmental costs of mining its specific rare earth materials? How energy-intensive is its manufacturing process? Is the device fully recyclable at the end of its functional life? Without transparent supply chain data, a true comparison is impossible. Now, let's synthesize this into a practical guide for your decision. Here are the key takeaways as we project to the 2026 landscape. Solar power offers proven, predictable, and bankable economics. You will be investing in a technology with a clear warranty and performance guarantee. Its costs are known and likely to remain highly competitive. Its weakness is its inherent intermittency without sufficient storage. Battery costs, while falling, still represent a significant portion of the investment. Maxwell's MSED system offers the breathtaking promise of total independence. The potential to be free from the grid, sun cycles, and battery limitations is its ultimate allure. Its great risk lies in its unproven commercial status and uncertain true cost. The financial risk of early adoption could be very high. The timeline for widespread, certified availability by 2026 is uncertain. So, what is your smart power play? Your decision framework must be based on your personal risk tolerance. If you are a homeowner seeking reliable, predictable savings and sustainability, and you have a suitable roof and are comfortable with proven technology, then solar power, especially with storage, remains the unequivocal champion for 2026. It is a safe, intelligent, and impactful investment. If you are an off-grid pioneer or a technology early adopter with capital to risk, and the MSED system achieves verified commercial launch by then, it may warrant deep investigation, but only with extreme due diligence. Demand third-party performance data and transparent total cost of ownership. Understand you are potentially investing in a vision, not just a product. For the vast majority of energy consumers, solar will be the rational choice. The MSED represents a fascinating future possibility that needs more time to mature. True energy revolutions are validated not by promises, but by decades of performance. Your energy future is too important to gamble on unproven claims. Make your decision based on data, transparency, and proven results. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Are you leaning towards the evolving certainty of solar? Or are you willing to bet on the revolutionary potential of systems like MSED? Subscribe and hit the notification bell for future updates. We will be here to analyze new data and breakthroughs as they emerge. The energy race is just getting started. We will help you navigate it with clarity and confidence. Thank you for watching.